So before we sign off, can you give us one super tip on getting started in selling homes this way?
Absolutely. So the biggest tip that I can give on being able to sell homes very, very quickly on the rent to own homes process, and that is start building your buyers list now. So I teach my students across the nation, you don't have to have a home to sell before you start building your buyers list. All right. Oh, and another great big tip. We do more promoting online than offline on the internet. And so we learned this the hard way. And that is whenever you're doing online ads such as Facebook or Craigslist, big tip here, always, always, always include pictures of homes, interior pictures and exterior pictures, even if it's stock pictures, even if it's not of a home that you have for sale yourself. But advertising online on the internet, your advertising will get so much more attention and traction when you have pictures versus just text.
Yeah.